mina kulo ngifuna okuningi manje into engiyifunayo yinduku ngivane nje ngingene nje empandeni straight ngigqume ngiphalaze flow ngiyacela othi ngidonsa uceleni
Kangaka abantu emhlabeni bekhethe mina ngiyabonga bodali said by Impumelelo he has beautiful wives Amahle and Tirelo. Guys, the one thing about Tirelo, she's a good person. You can tell guys she has a very great relationship with Amahle. Guys, you know, she's not that bad compared to season 1. The Tirelo that we were introduced, I was like, this girl, she's trying by all means to take Impumelelo, but now I can see she just needed somebody to understand her, guys, and I just feel like Amahle, she's the right person. Even though Amahle, she doesn't like, you know, the sports light, you know, she doesn't like everything that is going around. She just want to be there alone, you know, observing what is going on. You know, she's that kind of a wife. She doesn't like it to show off on social media. So I think they do balance it very well with Tirelo. Guys, when it comes to Mpumelelo, there's something that I've noticed. Every time when Musamseleko talks about Mzumbe, someone needs to go to stay in Mzumbe, you will see a video ya Mpumelelo doing whatever he's doing in Mzumbe, guys. I feel like Mpumelelo has threatened by Lwandle, guys, you know, ukuthi uLwandle uyena ozophatha eMzumbe, and he doesn't like that because obviously we know Lipube silase Mzumbe, so you will try by all means to take care of Mzumbe. So I think they are now in Mzumbe because it seems like they had a ceremony last week emzini kaMayeni, you know, Amahle's family, they were there, guys. I don't know what they were doing. Maybe we're gonna find out on Uthanda's Temple season 9, or else we're gonna find out on Izingani's Temple. You never know. So Mpumelelo, guys, maybe he really wants Mzumbe, guys. He cannot allow Lwandle to take over, guys. You know Mpumelelo, he's very bossy. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? It is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday, happy 10 to 6. Please take care of yourself. I love you.